Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps. Welcome back to this channel. The next repair is a 43-inch Devant LED TV. Model 43DL421. It's turning on, but the backlight is not illuminating. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
At ang gusto niyo pa magkalat, mga Pilipino, ikalat niyo po. Pinapagawan pa ng pulit.
The TV has no backlight, so let's first measure the backlight driver voltage. We can measure it at the cathode of these diodes. It is plugged in now. The voltage is about 51 volts. I'm turning the TV on now. The voltage should be increased while the TV is turned on, but it stays at 51 volts. It seems that the backlight driver is defective, not the LED bulbs. The diodes and the MOSFET are shorted. The diode and MOSFET are part of the backlight driver. Let's remove the board and try to replace the shorted components. These resistors are burnt. This is the backlight PWM driver, hoping it is not damaged. Let's remove the MOSFET. from the drain to the source of the MOSFET is shorted. Next, remove the diode. Only one of the diodes is shorted. The two diodes are connected in parallel. Now, let's remove the resistors. The values are 0.51 ohms each. They are also connected in parallel and connected to the source of the MOSFET. These resistors get burnt because the MOSFET is shorted. This simple diagram shows how the MOSFET, diode, and resistors are connected. This is the MOSFET, the diode, and the overcurrent resistors. I have here an LED TV board. This is the MOSFET driver, and this is the Schottky diode. Mostly, all TV LED components like the MOSFET and the Schottky diode of a backlight driver are similar. And they are good for a replacement if you don't have the exact part number of the MOSFET or the Schottky diode. So let's remove the MOSFET and the diode and try if they will work. Let's first solder the MOSFET. This diode we removed from the other TV board is for the rectifier output of the backlight driver. I believe this will work. Because the diode is not similar to the original package, we need to scrape the PCB coating so we can solder it correctly.
Bluetooth mode.
Kidlaing yun na yun.
The SMD diode needs to be soldered very close to the solder pad, because the solder pad serves as the heat sink. I think it is soldered correctly now. Let's replace the resistors. I don't find 0.51 ohms, 0.47 ohms is the nearest value I found. This will work. Let's remove and use as a replacement for the three 0.51 ohms resistors. These resistors are the current sensing or the overcurrent protection. It does not mean that if you don't replace it with the same value, the overcurrent protection will not function anymore. You can replace it with the nearest possible value, like 0.47 ohms with 0.51 ohms, it is only 0.05 ohms different. But if the difference is 1 ohm or more, that's a very high difference. Like if you replace the 0.51 ohms with 4.7 ohms. The overcurrent protection triggers almost instantly due to the incorrect value of the current sensing resistor. The MOSFET, diode, and the resistor have been replaced. Now let's try it. The TV is plugged in now, and I'm pushing the power button now. As you can see, the backlight voltage is increased by about 128 volts, from 61 volts up to 128 volts. Seems the backlight driver is working now. Let's place back the TV board and see if the LED will light up. When I'm repairing power supplies or backlight driver, I always measure the voltage during the testing, and make sure that the voltage is right and stable. The backlight driver voltage is about 88.5 volts, which is 30 pieces of 3-volt LED bulbs connected in series. Seems the TV is working now. The MOSFET and diode are not generating heat, indicating we have replaced them correctly.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tefts. See you again next time. Bye for now.